Hey, how's it going? So this is the brand new Kingtone Battery Box. We still have the original 4 battery configuration, but we've also added 2 batteries, which is very convenient if you have a smaller setup. We've also added a toggle switch. This allows you to switch between modes. In auto mode, it works like the original, where it senses the power from your pedal board or power supply and automatically connects or disconnects the battery. So you no longer have to remember to unplug the pedals to make sure the batteries don't go flat. It happens completely automatically. In the off mode, you can override the auto mode and turn the batteries off even if the pedal board's on. So the on setting allows you to run the battery box in standalone mode. This means you only need the batteries, you do not need a power supply, and you can run your pedal board just from batteries and then disconnect them all at the same time, which is very convenient. So we also have these multicolor battery indicator lights. This lets you know the condition of the battery and if you need to change it or whether it's good. So let's look at the function and construction of the battery box. First of all, the battery box is made from CNC'd 6061 aluminum, and it's anodized and laser engraved. So you could drive a car over the top of this and it's not going to break. It's actually very, very strong. You've got the battery slots in the top here. You also have the outputs on the side and also the battery sense on the side. And you have the toggle switch, allowing you to switch between modes. So the first thing I'll talk about is how secure the batteries are in the battery box. The first thing is there's no way you can rattle these loose, even if you hold on to the batteries. Even if I just hold on to one battery and try and work it loose, it won't come out. These are very firmly in here. So if they're on a pedal board and you're doing a long journey, you're not going to find these have fallen out. These are very, very securely in. But you can still pull these out easily and change them if you're at a show and you want to change a battery very, very quickly. It's very convenient. So if we were running this in standalone mode, we would plug the pedals into these isolated outputs. And of course, because they're isolated, we could have a positive ground fuzz pedal, we could have a negative ground silicon fuzz pedal, and we could also use a voltage doubler cable where we could actually double these up and get 18 volts. So there's lots of options. So what we'd do is we'd use the toggle switch at the side to turn all pedals on and off. And so we turn them out. So straight away we can see that this battery is low. So all we do is pull this battery out and put a new battery in. And as you can see, even if you're in a gig, you can do this so quickly. And then of course at the end of the show you can turn them off. But in auto mode, you're basically sensing the input from the pedal board, and these batteries will be automatically connected and disconnected when you turn your pedal board on and off. So there's 2 very different ways to use the battery box. Great, thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions.